Hello, today I'm going to be doing It Will Rain by Bruno. This video shout out is for Mcriver, Courtney and Jess. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. Oh, 'cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me, no matter how long my knees are on the floor. So making mine all the sacrifices I'm making will keep you by my side, will keep you from walking out the door. There'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same. Saying, there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they don't understand. Oh, well, little darling, watch me change their mind. Yeah, for you I'll try. I'll pick up all these broken pieces, tell them that will make you mine. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Don't just say goodbye. Don't just say goodbye. I pick up all these broken pieces, tell them bleeding, that'll make you right. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Thank you for watching.